Hello.
Hello, may I speak with Christopher, please?
Yes, is he?
Hi there, this is Desiree, and I'm calling on a recorded line from the Customer Care Center here at regarding your 2020 Chevy Silverado.
Okay.
Yes, sir, the reason for my call is we were just alerted by OnStar that your vehicle is having a low oil life, and we're just reaching out as a courtesy to schedule the appointment for an oil change for you.
Okay. Awesome.
Okay, perfect. And do you know, by any chance, the approximate mileage on the vehicle at this time, sir?
Yeah, I think it's a little bit over 24,000.
Oh, okay. All right, yes. So it is due for service. And are you still currently at...
Correct.
Okay, perfect. And we have an email address on file here listed as gmail.com. Is that still a good email address for you, sir?
Yep, that's correct.
Okay, perfect. And are there any concerns or issues you'd like to make note of in regards to your vehicle?
So just the oil, and also, so my tire pressure is low.
Tire pressure. Okay.
Which, I mean, I understand it's because it's cold, but
Okay.
I have nitrogen in my tires, but I'm getting a huge shift, and for the past, 8 months, my tire pressures have just been low, so I definitely need some more nitrogen in those tires.
Okay, I will make note of that here. Okay. All right. And aside from that, are there any other issues or concerns you'd like to add on to this appointment?
No.
Okay, sounds good. All right, and I pulled up the VIN just to see if there are any open recalls on the vehicle right now, and there's none, which is good. And for this appointment, sir, do you plan on dropping off the vehicle or waiting for it?
I typically just wait for it.
Okay, no problem. And do you have a preferred service advisor? Last time you were here was with Tyler.
Yeah, Tyler's fine.
Okay, all right. And I'm just pulling up our availability. So I actually do have availability for Monday the 17th. We have a 10 a.m. That's our earliest for that day. Well, we could also do Tuesday the 18th at 8 a.m.
Okay, yeah. That. Do you have any other times available on that Monday?
On Monday, yes. Like towards the afternoon or mid-morning?
Yeah, more so towards the afternoon, correct.
Okay. Yeah, so I have a 1 o'clock. If not, we can also do 2 or 2:30.
Yeah, let's do 2 o'clock on Monday.
2 o'clock. Okay, perfect. Okay, sir, so you are all set. This is once again for Monday, January the 17th at 2 o'clock in the afternoon with your service advisor, Tyler. You will be receiving both a confirmation email and text message from us regarding this appointment. And if you need to make some changes, please just call us and let us know, okay?
Awesome. Thank you so much.
All right. Of course. You're very welcome, and thank you so much for your time, Mr. Bell. You have a great evening.
Thank you. You as well.
You know.